Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Dodge Charger. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 40,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive provides for safe passage, regardless of road or weather conditions. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Dodge's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.